Hi, this project is a demonstration of online mobile store. Online mobile store is a web application where user can view various mobile phones as well as can view product specification. As the products are displayed on effective graphical user interface, user can view the products clearly. This system helps the online consumers to compare the products with one another which are displayed and also helps the consumers to purchase the best product. This system will help to save consumers valuable time. Let's see how the system works. There will be two people who will log into the system. One will be the user and there will be the admin using the ID and the password. So let's see the user module first. So user will use his ID and the password not to log into the system. If the user is a new user, he will register himself by clicking onto the register here button. Over here, he must specify the following details and which are star marked is a required field. He must specify these details. Here he must specify the username and he can check the availability. If it is, he can use the username and he must specify the password as well as the user ID. So once he registers himself, he will use the user ID and the password in order to log into the system. So let's enter the user ID and the password. Once the user logins to the system, these are the two options you can access through. So these are the various mobile types. So you can view the various products by clicking on any of the brands. So let's see the Samsung brand. Over here, these are the three products which are of this particular brand. If I want to view the various products of different brands, I can do so by clicking on to the view products. So over here, I can view various products of different brands. So when I click on to any of the one of the product, so I can view the product details, the product name, the image as well as the cost as well as the short description about the product. If I want to buy the product, I will click on to the buy button. Over here, I will specify the total quantity. And once I click on to the add to cart, over here I will get another module that is make payment. My product had been added to the cart and once I click on to the make payment button, over here I can view the product which I had added to the cart as well as the total quantity as well as the cost for per product as well as the total cost. Over here, this is the total charges which are calculated by the system. From here, I can select any one of the option in order to purchase the product. So I will click on to the credit card in order to make the payment. Over here, I will specify the credit card number which will be of 16 digit. If I enter less than 16 digit, I will get an error message. So I must specify total 16 digit of credit card number. And here I will specify 3-digit CVV number. If I enter only 2, I will get an error message. So the CVV number must be 3-digit. And I will specify the expiration month and year. So it should be month and year. It should be of this format. So the total charges is automatically calculated by the system itself. Once I click on to the pay button, my order had been placed successfully. So this is how the user module works. Let's see the admin module. Admin will use the ID and the password in order to log into the system. Once he logins to the system, these are the various options you can access through. So let's see the add product module. He will specify the product details. Here the product ID is automatically generated by the system itself. He will specify the product name, product type as well as he will select the image of the particular product and will specify the short description as well as the price. So over here, let's enter the product name and the product type. I will select the image by clicking onto the choose file. So over here I will select this one. So once I click onto the upload button, my image will be uploaded and will be shown over here, and I must specify a short description about the product and the price. Once the admin clicks on to the submit button, these details will be stored in the database as well as it will be displayed to the user. Let's see the view products. Over here the admin can view various products which are stored in the database. Once he clicks on to the product, he can view the description as well as the total cost. Let's see the view order. These are the various orders placed by the user. Here the admin can see the user ID as well as the products he had purchased as well as the total quantity, cost as well as the total charges as well as the mode of payment as well as the date. Let's see the delete module. Over here the admin can delete the particular product by selecting the type as well as the product name. Once he clicks on to the search button, he can view the product, and once he clicks on to the delete button, over here there will be a pop-up, you want to delete this product. If so, he can click on to the yes button over either no button. So let's click on to the yes button. So the product is deleted successfully. This is how the admin module works. This is how online mobile store system works. Thank you.